Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, me keep the gun tuck, body too fat, make me neck one broke. 4 or 5 gal and out of all black. 4 or 5 gal and out of all black truck. Shawty tryna fuck with me, I said you out of luck. One wrong.
If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications without hesitation and be a part of my little next now with this gang. You know you can't hang me lame. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on my social media. There'll be a link in the description box and my intro, my outro, and on the screen. And without further ado, let's go with the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm not done unloading the dishwasher. I got these. So, you know, I put it in there. So if it's wrong, you can change it. But to put it in there, and now I have all these dishes I need to dry off and put up. So we're gonna start with all of these. Those go over there. Then I have a couple dishes over there that I need to wash because they don't look dirty. So it's like, I don't know if they're washed or not. I just know the dishwasher needed to be unloaded. Because obviously it's some of this stuff that can't go in here, like this pot, but I think that's already washed. Get this big old thing to dry. But yeah, we do a little mini chit chat. The most thing I'm excited for will probably be, I don't know like what welcome week is gonna look like, but I was excited for welcome week at my last school, and I'm still excited for welcome week because you never really know what it consists of. So I will put it like that. And I wasn't excited to like meet new people because I know how I am and I'm like shy, so I didn't even think like I was like, okay, well, I don't know if my roommate is gonna like me or if she's gonna wanna be friends or what. But for the most part, my roommate and my roommate seem very good. So yeah, we have like a group chat, so that's good. But yeah, so I would say I kind of changed my mind. I am excited about like meeting new people and stepping out of my comfort zone. But not like a lot of people because y'all know me. I have the same couple friends I've had since high school, since college. So, and I don't like big friend groups. I would like little friend groups. So, you know, hopefully it's nothing too bad, too savvy. You get me? Yeah, so hopefully it's chill.
A few moments later.
These are the beautiful cookies. Period. You're good. Don't get me off. I'm not finna eat a whole tray of cookies. Okay. So now, I pretty much just have dishes to wash. was all for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn in the post notifications without hesitation to be a part of my nation. Because you're not with this gang, you know you can hang your lame. Also, all that jazz I said in the intro. Also, if you have not already, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They'll be linked in the description box and my intro and my outro. Stay tuned for more lit vids. My gang. We out this thing.
Every night